Hi guys, I'm the Realtor Evan, back for another tip this week in 1 minute. We want to talk more about the seller's tips for, quick fixes and quick ways to make more money on your sale or get it sold faster. So another quick tip for you guys out there that are selling your homes is get rid of the odors in the house. Obviously, you can spray the Febreze or whatever, but these are, chemically induced odors that just are cover-ups. They don't really take away the odors. Some of the things that you can do to neutralize odors are perhaps essential oils. They make candles that will cover up the odors a little bit better. So, if you can light the candle and, not worry about fires starting, be careful of that, obviously, but that could be a good tip. There's also a trick that you can do with vinegar. You can look this up online. You take some vinegar and a damp towel and you wave it around. You can put some baking soda out in cups and that'll neutralize the odor. And even some plants, if you put them out, the proper plants will neutralize the odor for you. So take advantage of all those tips and neutralize those odors before you have the showings. Hope that helps. Hope to see you next time.